Hi. Oh, let me get back. Okay. Hi YouTube. I'm gonna sing a song by Etta James. It's called Church Bells, but I'm gonna sing the Beyonce version. But first, I have to fix this stupid camera. So if you can hold tight for 1 second. Yeah. I don't know if you can see me. Well, you can see me. Okay, here I go. I heard church bells ringing. I heard a choir singing. As my love walked down the aisle on her finger, he placed the ring. Oh, I saw them holding hands. She was standing there with my man. I heard them promise till death do us part. These words was a pain in my heart. That was a little bit okay. So, if you like what you heard, subscribe. I mean, this is my first video, so help me out. All right, bye.